Spicy Thai Basil Tofu is a delightful dish that perfectly embodies the essence of Thai cuisine while catering to plant-based diets. This vibrant meal is not only a feast for the eyes but also a celebration of flavors that can elevate any weeknight dinner. With its aromatic blend of fresh Thai basil, spicy chilies, and savory tofu, this dish offers a satisfying and nutritious option for those looking to explore the world of plant-based cooking. One of the most appealing aspects of spicy Thai basil tofu is its ease of preparation. Even if you're new to cooking, this dish can be whipped up in under 30 minutes, making it an ideal choice for busy weeknights. The ingredients are accessible, often found in local grocery stores or Asian markets, allowing home cooks to recreate an authentic Thai experience without the need for complicated techniques or hard-to-find items. What truly sets this dish apart is the flavorful experience it offers. Cooking with Thai basil brings a unique aromatic quality that transforms simple ingredients into a culinary masterpiece. The combination of spicy, sweet, and savory notes creates a harmonious balance that tantalizes the taste buds. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your cooking journey, spicy Thai basil tofu is a dish that promises to impress and satisfy, making it a must-try for anyone interested in plant-based meals. Ingredients overview. To create a delicious spicy Thai basil tofu dish, you'll need a handful of essential ingredients that work together to deliver an explosion of flavor and nutrition. The star of the show is, of course, tofu. This versatile plant-based protein not only absorbs the vibrant flavors of the dish but also provides a hearty texture that makes it satisfying and filling. Next up is Thai basil, which is crucial for achieving that authentic Thai flavor. Its slightly sweet and peppery notes elevate the dish, adding a fragrant aroma that is simply irresistible. Fresh Thai basil is preferred, as it offers a more intense flavor compared to regular basil. Soy sauce is another key ingredient, contributing a rich umami taste that enhances the overall depth of the dish. It adds a savory element that balances the heat from the chili peppers, which are essential for bringing the spice to life. Depending on your heat tolerance, you can adjust the amount of chili peppers to suit your palate. Finally, don't forget about garlic and onion, which add layers of flavor and aroma. Together, these ingredients create a harmonious blend that is both nutritious and satisfying. For the best results, sourcing fresh, plant-based ingredients is highly recommended. Fresh produce not only enhances the taste but also ensures that you're getting the maximum nutritional benefits, making your spicy Thai basil tofu a wholesome meal you can feel good about. Preparation steps. To prepare a delicious spicy Thai basil tofu, start by pressing and cubing your tofu for optimal texture. Begin by draining the tofu and wrapping it in a clean kitchen towel or paper towels. Place a heavy object, like a skillet or a few cans, on top to press out excess moisture for about 15-20 minutes. This step is crucial as it helps the tofu absorb flavors better and achieve a firmer texture when cooked. Once pressed, cut the tofu into bite-sized cubes, ensuring they are uniform for even cooking. Next, heat a tablespoon of oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add the cubed tofu and sauté until golden brown on all sides, which should take about 5-7 minutes. Remove the tofu from the pan and set it aside. In the same skillet, add chopped onions and minced garlic, sauté until fragrant and translucent. Then, toss in your choice of vegetables, such as bell peppers or snap peas, and stir-fry for a few minutes until they are tender yet crisp. Now, it's time to incorporate the spices. Add soy sauce, chili peppers, and a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Return the tofu to the skillet and mix everything well, allowing the tofu to soak up the sauce for an additional 2-3 minutes. For a quick cooking experience, have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go before you start cooking. This will streamline the process and ensure that your spicy Thai basil tofu comes together in no time. Cooking techniques. when it comes to creating the perfect spicy Thai basil tofu, stir-frying is the go-to cooking technique that ensures a quick and effective preparation. This method allows you to cook ingredients rapidly over high heat, preserving their vibrant colors and crunch while infusing them with flavor. Stir-frying is not only efficient but also helps maintain the nutritional value of the vegetables, making it an ideal choice for a healthy meal. One of the key elements to achieving that coveted crispy texture in tofu is the use of high heat. When you sauté the pressed and cubed tofu in a hot skillet, the exterior quickly develops a golden brown crust, while the inside remains soft and tender. This contrast in texture is what makes the dish so satisfying. To maximize crispiness, ensure that your skillet is preheated before adding the tofu, and avoid overcrowding the pan, which can lead to steaming rather than frying. While stir-frying is a fantastic technique, don't hesitate to experiment with different cooking styles to suit your personal preference. For instance, you might try baking the tofu for a healthier alternative or even grilling it for a smoky flavor. Each method brings its own unique twist to the dish, allowing you to customize your spicy Thai basil tofu experience. So, feel free to explore and find the cooking technique that resonates with your taste buds. Serving suggestions. Once your spicy Thai basil tofu is ready, it's time to think about how to serve and enjoy this vibrant dish. A classic pairing is to serve it over a bed of fluffy jasmine rice, which complements the bold flavors beautifully. The aromatic rice absorbs the savory sauce, creating a harmonious balance that enhances each bite. Alternatively, for a nutritious twist, consider serving it with quinoa. This protein-packed grain not only adds a delightful texture but also boosts the overall nutritional profile of your meal. To elevate the presentation and flavor, don't forget to garnish your dish with fresh herbs, such as additional Thai basil or cilantro. A squeeze of lime juice right before serving can also brighten the flavors, adding a zesty kick that perfectly complements the spicy notes of the dish. One of the great things about spicy Thai basil tofu is its versatility. It's an excellent option for meal prep, as it stores well in the refrigerator and can be easily reheated throughout the week. This makes it a fantastic choice for busy individuals looking to enjoy healthy, homemade meals. Additionally, this dish is perfect for entertaining guests. Its vibrant colors and enticing aroma are sure to impress, making it a standout centerpiece for any dinner table. Whether for a casual weeknight dinner or a festive gathering, spicy Thai basil tofu is a dish that everyone will love. Conclusion. In summary, spicy Thai basil tofu is a simple yet flavorful dish that showcases the best of Thai cuisine while being entirely plant-based. With its quick preparation and vibrant ingredients, this recipe is perfect for busy weeknights or when you want to impress guests with minimal effort. The combination of crispy tofu, aromatic Thai basil, and a delightful blend of spices creates a satisfying meal that is both nutritious and delicious. Incorporating plant-based meals like spicy Thai basil tofu into your daily life offers numerous benefits. Not only does it promote a healthier lifestyle, but it also encourages creativity in the kitchen. Exploring plant-based recipes can lead to discovering new flavors and ingredients, making your meals more exciting and diverse. Plus, it's a fantastic way to reduce your environmental footprint while enjoying delicious food. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more delicious plant-based dishes, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might be looking for tasty and healthy meal ideas. We love hearing from you, so feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts or any variations you tried. Together, let's continue to explore the wonderful world of plant-based cooking.